Another very interesting feature of Power BI is to create an entire table inside this program. Yes, it's going to be very interesting because here we are not going to get the data from outside Power BI, but inside Power BI, whatever data we have through a function, we can actually get a filtered table. We can create it over here, right? What I want to show you, this is sometimes very useful. So suppose in this table, we have all the customers, right? If I take you to the customers table, we have the list of all the customers. What I need is I want to actually create an entire table, but that serves a particular purpose here. Suppose this company is about to launch a new product and they are looking for the target audience, right? So they also want to see from the list of existing customers that whether few of these customers would become their target customer or not based on the parameters they have decided. So they need to create an entire different table out of this, just kind of a filtered table, right? Which this is going to be the list of all those existing customers who matches the criteria which they have set in for selling the or for upselling the new product. So how to create a new table? If you see under the table tools, you have an option of new table. Let me just click on this, and along with this I'm going to show you that how we can actually write a function for the same. Okay, so first of all, you can see the name of the table. I would say target customers, right? Now, who is going to be the target customer? I don't need the entire table. A target customer is someone whose annual income is more than $50,000, who is male as well as married, right? This is the condition we have already applied if you remember using the if function. But this time we are trying to create an entire table from the existing list of all the customers. So I am going to use a function over here which is going to be filter. Yes, filter, which says returns a table. Look at this. This is very interesting. Returns a table that has been filtered. And this is what we are looking for. Returns a table that has been filtered. Which table I'm talking about? I'm talking about the customer table, right? Customer table, comma, filter expression. So now this is just one argument we have, but I have mentioned three different conditions. So you remember we can use the AND condition here, but A and D AND won't work. So we need to use double ampersand because we have three conditions. So here I'm going to say the annual income is supposed to be greater than 50,000. Double ampersand, right? And then again the next one is going to be the gender is supposed to be male. So I'll just put M in double quotes. Again double ampersand, and marital status is supposed to be M, right? So I've entered three conditions and I'm going to just close down the parenthesis because I'm done. So what I'm looking for, that it should filter down the entire customers table based on these three conditions. So any customer, any existing customer who is matching all these three conditions at the same time should come over here. That list should come over here. I'll simply press enter and you will witness that how it's going to populate the entire table over here with the list of our target customers. You can see it's coming up. I've got all the columns, and now you'll notice that if I come to the annual income, I'll click on this drop down. Here you will notice that the income actually is starting from 60,000. So as I've already mentioned, more than 50,000, and gender is also supposed to be, here it is, supposed to be M, right? So let's see, here it is, it's only M, nothing else. Again, in the marital status, it is supposed to be only M. So it is satisfying all these three conditions, and we are getting 2985 rows. There are 2985 customers to whom we can upsell the product which we are about to launch because they are matching with our criteria. So with this example, I have explained you two things, that how to create an entire new table in Power BI desktop application. Second thing, how to use a filter function, because later on we're going to use this filter function also. I believe you understood this very simple function and simply filtering down the entire list of table. Thank you.